this island floors where nature began, where the flowers bloom and the colors arise. Rainbows in the sky with every vibrant hue, a palette of dizzying color, where nature is true on this island. Breathe air that's new and pure, a tranquil oasis. Nature is here to be sure. The scent of flowers mingles in the breeze, the green of earth and blue of seas. On this island, beauty and wonder intertwine, bringing wonder to every heart, every mind. With each step you make, there's beauty to behold. Nature's masterpiece, your story here is yet untold. On this island floors, nature's paradise, where the flowers bloom and the colors arise. Rainbows across the sky, painting a vibrant hue, a simple place of serenity, a tapestry of green and blue. On this island, the air is sweet and pure, a tranquil oasis. Nature's here, it'll endure. The scent of flowers dancing with the breeze. On this island, beauty and wonder intertwine, bringing wonder to every heart, every mind. With each step you make, there's beauty to behold. Nature's masterpiece, your story here is yet untold. On this island, beauty air is sweet and pure, a tranquil oasis. Nature's here, it will endure. The scent of flowers dancing with the breeze. The ocean calls and the water falls, lush and green as the painted sea. Seaside towns where church bells sound, emerald fields all around. Green and blue, a perfect view. Hearts are free, living by the sea. Seaside towns where church bells sound, emerald fields all around. Green and blue, a perfect view. Hearts are free, living by the sea. Green and blue, a perfect view. Hearts are free, living by the sea.